What is up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles. Got the wheel covers for the Tesla Model Y Juniper in for the, I think it's the Helix wheels. And this is from EVBase. So again, second product I'm trying out from them. We tried the license plate bracket. This will be the second one we're trying out. Let's get this opened up and see how they look. All right, guys, so in the box, you obviously got the 4 wheel covers. You got some basically foam that's gonna go on the outside rim here to keep it from rattling. And then in a separate package, I got the Tesla caps to put in the middle here. And then in the box, it came with some blank ones in case you want to put your own stickers on there or something. So the first thing we're gonna do is just basically prep the surface along here for the for that foam, that anti-rattle foam. So we'll just use an alcohol prep pad. Got a bunch of these lying around. If you got just like rubbing alcohol or anything, that would work too. All right, and then now that we have that prepped, we'll just start peeling this off and sticking it to the wheel cover. Be careful whatever you're setting this on, because if you're putting it on the ground or something and you're spinning this around, you're obviously gonna scratch it. So you can kind of see what we're doing there. Just going around this outside rim. All right, so we'll do that for all 4. So once you got that tape on, the installation couldn't be easier. All you're gonna do is pull on this, and this will just pop right off. Then you'll take the new wheel cover. Make sure you line the hole up. The airfill hole, or the airfill valve. And then this is just gonna pop on there. Then we'll go ahead and put the emblem on, so we'll do the same thing, prep the area. And that's that. We'll go ahead and get the other ones put on, then we'll pull it out and see how it looks. Well, that's the install video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out. These well exceeded my expectations. It's way tighter than I thought it was going to be. Way cleaner. You can't even really tell it's a cap, so I'm super impressed. Use code Redwood when you guys get these things or anything else on the EVBase website. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.